Hey Dad, what are we doing today?
Today? Well, guys, do you can tell what it is? What is this? This is a set of carburetors for a 2001 XLT
You
1200.
keep doing the same thing.
1200 two-stroke jet ski. I have a Yamaha there. We pick up that Sea-Doo a few months ago.
Sea-Doo?
Oh, sorry, Sea-Doo.
It's Yamaha.
That Yamaha Waverunner is a Waverunner 2001 XLT 1200 two-stroke engine. We pick up that jet ski with the other jet ski with the Sea-Doo GTX that we already done. That was one of our first video. And if you didn't saw that video, go back to our playlist and you can see that video. It was good that we turned down the engine and everything, and then you can see us on the lake enjoying the jet ski. So now we have that jet ski here. That jet ski had a cylinder head problem with the piston rings. I already installed the piston rings on the cylinder head, but today I'm gonna be repairing the carbs. These are Mikuni carbs that came out on the engine, so I'm going to take them apart, and I already have here the kit, so I can install all the internal parts on the carburetor, clean everything up, and also we're going to be deleting the cable choke.
Deleting or eliminating?
Eliminating or deleting, is it not the same?
I don't know.
Well, eliminating, we're going to be eliminating the cable choke. That's the choke is the thing that you pull when you want to start the engine at the first try in a cold start. But I have a kit that instead of closing this butterfly, because when you pull the cable for the choke, this butterflies close, and when you press the start button and the engine start to turning, it's going to create vacuum here, and it's going to suck the fuel a little bit faster, and you can start the engine can start a little bit faster. But in this one, you can see this one, it doesn't have, I already did this one, so be prepared for you guys, don't mess it up. So I did this one first, so I have two more left. I already, as you can see here, right? Yeah, we eliminated the butterfly. We eliminated this butterfly, is eliminated here, and here where you have the pin, so it's holding the pin that is holding this butterfly. You are going to install this fitting, and in this fitting here is going to be connected to a hose that is going to be connected to the tank. And instead of pulling to activate or close the butterflies, you're going to be pushing I don't know how, a pump or something like that. It's here. Let me show you. Here is the kit. So I'm gonna change the system to, instead of doing the choke, it's gonna be primed. So this is the you can see here. You're gonna be pulling in the original system. You pull this, and this is gonna pull a cable, and the cable is gonna open and close these butterflies. But here, this is like a pump. You're gonna be pumping here like this. Fuel is gonna come here from one side, and then it's gonna go to the other side, and it's gonna dump fuel into the carburetor so you can start the engine a little bit quicker. So this is a better system, and I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to install all that. So that's that. So I'm gonna be disassemble everything, taking apart the carburetors. I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. Let's do it. This is the main jet. It has a spring here in the bottom, and this is what makes the fuel go into the carburetor. This is the main jet. I'm gonna take everything apart so I can clean and replace all the seals and gaskets here. You see here, rust. I'm gonna change all this, and here it has a like a plastic flapper or seal or something. I'm gonna put that brand new. You see here. Also, it has a seal here. Has to be changed. One of the bolts that goes here, one goes here, and the other one here. Now I'm gonna take the main jet off. You have to be careful because remember it has a spring there, so I don't want to lose anything. Take this bolt. This bolt is securing this shaft here that is preventing this part to go off. So this is the spring shaft. This is the main jet. I have to clean everything up. Although I'm gonna use a carburetor cleaner and everything to put everything and clean it up. Gonna open the other part. The other side of the carburetor. I have to open everything because I have to clean everything up in order to put back together everything. I just want to show you because you can do it yourself. I pick up this kit for like 40 bucks. It has all the parts for the carburetor. So because if you want to buy all these carburetors, it's gonna be like 300 or 400 bucks. So put it good. See here, I take everything apart, so I put it aside in the same way that I took it apart, so I know where they go. This is a filter, goes here, and the seal. The gasket. There's anything. There's nothing more here. And here is like a spacer or a chamber where the fuel passes through. You can see here. You have a transparent plastic. That part goes first when you're assembling everything, and then this rubber seal goes like this. Plastic first, so here you have a rubber seal also, so it's gonna seal to the plastic. You can see here. I'm gonna take the seal off. I want to clean everything up here, and this part goes here, no seal, and the plastic is the same. The plastic goes to here. You can see here you have two parts, the transparent part and the plastic part, and the seal, the rubber seal. So I have to clean everything, all this up. I have to take all this seal paper, or I don't know what it is. You can use like a blade and clean everything, because this has to be really clean so the other gasket will sit properly here. You have to be careful so you don't scratch this surface, because if not, it's not going to seal properly. So this is have to be really flat. Now you can use a bronze wire to clean everything. Okay, it has like corrosion stick to it, so you have to clean everything to get all that corrosion off. And you can feel, when you feel that it's really smooth, look at all that corrosion that is coming out. So now I'm going to install the priming kit. This one goes in the middle. This is the middle carburetor, and this is the part that I'm going to be installing. These two parts. One is a plug, and the other one is the fitting that proportioning the. This is like a jet. Or from here is gonna, the gasoline, the fuel is gonna be dumped here to the carburetor, and this is going to block this part here. So I have to take this off. You have to figure out the side, where the side is, because you have to put all the fittings in the same side. So here is where the fitting goes. I have all new O-rings and everything because the kit bring me the O-rings. This is the kit. I'm gonna open it right now so I can install everything. So I'm going to be installing everything, all these parts first. Shit. I thought I threw out something important. So this is the jet. It's in really good condition. This pointy part is rubber. It's in good condition, it's not broken, it doesn't have missing parts or anything. So you have to put the jet like this. It has like a hanging metal. You have to put it here like this, because this is what's going to pull up and down this jet. So everything here like this. Put the bolt. You can see here, plastic part that I just told you goes here. That one is like really thin and fluffy because of the use, and this one is stronger than the other one. It has a point where you secure the position of the part. Okay, it's on. You can feel that it's stronger. This seal goes here. This is what goes here. This has this part, you can see here is square and had like this part coming out of it. So this is the part that you align it here so you don't miss it. It's gonna be put in one position only. This is one of the seals that goes here. Put the filter. New filter. This one goes here. You can see here, this one is different than this one. It's almost the same, but this one has the part here that goes where the filters go. So this one is going to look like this. I'm missing one part, but let me show you. Then you put the rubber seal, and then you're gonna put this, but I forgot to install this other plastic stuff that I don't know what this does, but I'm gonna put brand new ones here. I'm gonna take them out. See this one. You can use like a little bit of Vaseline, so it's gonna go in easier, because this rubber, if you don't put Vaseline, you're gonna fight with it. And this is like it comes. You have this grommet part and this plastic part. You're gonna put these two together here like this, and then you're gonna press it here so it can go in just like this. Yep, it's in. You have to apply a little bit of Vaseline, because if not, you're not going to do it. Now we can finish this plastic. The other plastic goes like this. We can install the O-ring here. Now plastic goes here and this one goes on top like this, and you can install this. It's like a hump here. You have to match it to the carburetor. This goes like this, so the primer goes in this one. You put an O-ring here, put this part here. We're finished with this series, doing the repair of the carburetor, but I have another one to do, but I'm not going to show you because it's the same process. So guys, thank you for being with me today. Remember to subscribe, because 80% of you guys are watching the videos, are not subscribing. Do you want me to pause the video so you can subscribe? Yes? Okay, hold on. Okay, have you subscribed? Thank you guys, thank you for supporting the channel. And remember to go and see and share all our videos so we can grow the channel and do fun stuff and interesting stuff for you guys, so you can learn how to do stuff yourselves and don't spend more money than you want. So remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one, guys.